Nickel powder ball press feeding skills. Do you know the correct feeding technique of nickel pellet press? Or nickel or ball press, feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding allows the motor to run smoothly, charge is stable, and when the amount of feed exceeds the specified amount of equipment, it will cause overload and even force the equipment to stop suddenly. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So the operation of the machine to master the dose is an important link. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important link, but also to ensure the normal operation of nickel powder ball press important conditions.